Hey foodies and wanderlusters, welcome to the ultimate New York City food adventure. We're counting down the top 10 must-try food experiences in the Big Apple. From iconic street eats to world-famous bites, get ready for a delicious journey you won't forget. So grab a snack, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Number 10. Indulge in a classic New York cheesecake. The New York-style cheesecake is a culinary masterpiece, dense, rich, and unbelievably creamy, with a slightly tangy flavor from the cream cheese. The secret lies in the quality and quantity of ingredients: full-fat cream cheese, heavy cream, fresh eggs, sugar, and vanilla. You can find it in classic diners, old-school bakeries, and high-end restaurants. For a legendary slice, visit Junior's, serving its iconic cheesecake since 1950, or try Eileen's special cheesecake in Nolita for a lighter mousse-like texture. For an old-world experience, visit Veniero's Pasticceria and Cafe in the East Village, baking since 1894, incorporating ricotta cheese. Ultimately, the best slice is a matter of personal preference. It's a beloved part of the city's culinary fabric, meant to be savored, shared, and celebrated. Number 9. Explore the flavors of Flushing, Queens. Hop on the 7 train for a taste bud adventure. Flushing, Queens boasts one of the largest Chinatowns, a paradise for food lovers. The variety is mind-blowing, from restaurants and food courts to bakeries and street vendors. Find spicy Sichuan hot pots, hand-pulled noodles, and savory dumplings. Dive into legendary food courts like New World Mall Food Court. Sample crispy pork buns, soup dumplings, and spicy cumin lamb skewers. It's not just Chinese food. Find Korean, Taiwanese, and other Asian cuisines, a must-do for adventurous eaters. Try soup dumplings. Next, hand-pulled noodles. Flushing's bakeries are legendary. Stop by for an egg tart. Don't forget the street food. Be adventurous and try something new. Go explore, be bold, and eat everything. Number 8. Take a cooking class with a local expert. We've tasted amazing food. Now it's time to get our hands dirty and learn the secrets behind these incredible dishes. Taking a cooking class in New York City is like getting a backstage pass to the culinary world. You get to connect with the ingredients, the techniques, and the stories that make each dish so special. There are so many options to choose from. Discover the secrets to baking that iconic New York-style bagel. It's such a fun, collaborative, and super rewarding experience. A great teacher breaks it down, step by step, making it totally approachable and fun. It's like a delicious science experiment where you get to eat the results, all over the city. You can find classes that specialize in almost any cuisine you can dream of. It's more than just a meal. It's an interactive, educational, and ridiculously tasty adventure. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the culture behind the food. It's this storytelling aspect that makes the experience so rich and memorable. Sharing stories and tips is a truly delicious takeaway. Number 7. Experience a NYC Food Festival. To see New York City's culinary scene explode, you have to go to a food festival. Imagine a street taken over by the best chefs, restaurants, and food trucks the city has to offer, all in one place. It's a foodie paradise where you can sample dozens of different dishes, from gourmet bites to street food classics. The atmosphere is always buzzing with excitement and happy people sharing their love for all things delicious. One of the biggest is the New York City Wine and Food Festival, which happens every fall. Think about things like Smorgasburg in Brooklyn, basically the ultimate outdoor food market. It's a place where the city's incredible diversity is on full display through its food. Here are a few tips to make the most of it. First, go with a game plan. Go with friends and share everything. Pacing yourself is super important. Finally, think beyond the big names and don't overlook the smaller independent vendors. Happy festival going. Number 6. Discover farm-to-table dining. The farm-to-table movement celebrates fresh, seasonal, and locally sourced ingredients from the amazing farms around New York City. Chefs build relationships with local farmers and artisans, creating menus based on the freshest ingredients. You'll often see the farm names listed right on the menu, connecting you to the land. Restaurants like Blue Hill are pioneers, deeply committed to agriculture and sustainability. Visit the Union Square Green Market to experience the scene firsthand. Explore urban farms like Brooklyn Grange, transforming city spaces into green oases. Seek out restaurants highlighting local purveyors, wander through green markets, or tour a rooftop farm. Embrace farm-to-table culture to taste the city in its purest form. Number 5. Savor New York-style bagel with lox and cream cheese. This is a true NYC classic. Chewy, golden, and unforgettable. Walk into any NYC deli or bakery and you'll find bagels that are hand-rolled, boiled, and baked to perfection. The secret? It's all about that chewy crust, dense interior, and malty flavor. Some say it's the New York water. Bagels come in all varieties, but the classic combo is lox and cream cheese. Simple, perfect, and totally New York. Lox, or cured salmon, has roots in Jewish delis and is a breakfast staple across the city. For the best bagels, check out iconic spots like Essa Bagel, Russ and Daughters, or Absolute Bagels, or discover your own favorite neighborhood shop. Grab your bagel, find a city bench, and take a bite. Whether you're in a park, on a busy street, or by the river, this is the taste of New York. However you enjoy it, a New York bagel is more than just breakfast. It's a delicious tradition and a bite of NYC history. So next time you're in the Big Apple, join the bagel tradition and taste a true New York legend. Number 4. Embark on a street food adventure. The streets of New York City are like the world's biggest and most delicious food court. From the iconic hot dog carts with their colorful umbrellas to the gourmet food trucks, there's something for everyone. One of the most classic New York street food experiences is, of course, the hot dog. But the street food scene has evolved so much beyond the classics. You can find everything from Korean BBQ tacos and Belgian waffles to gourmet grilled cheese and lobster rolls. The best part about a street food adventure is the sheer diversity. You can start with a lamb over rice platter from a halal cart. Okay, we have to do a deep dive into one of the most beloved street food staples in New York, the halal cart. The go-to order is chicken or lamb over rice, or a combination of both. The combination of the savory meat, fragrant rice, cool white sauce, and fiery red sauce is a flavor explosion. Embarking on a street food adventure is about more than just eating. It's about immersing yourself in the rhythm of the city. So next time you're in New York, skip the sit-down lunch one day and just follow your nose. I promise you'll find something wonderful and create a memory that's uniquely New York. Number 3. Dive into dim sum in Chinatown. Get ready for one of my favorite food experiences ever. We're heading to Chinatown for dim sum. It's a social event, a tradition, and a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the sound of rolling carts and excited chatter. Dim sum translates to touch the heart, and it's a style of Cantonese cuisine where small, bite-sized portions of food are served. The best part is the variety. You get to try dozens of different little dishes, each with its own unique flavor and texture. The classic way to experience dim sum is with the push carts. Waitstaff roll these heated carts around the dining room. It's a constant stream of delicious surprises arriving right at your table. Some of the must-try classics include hargao, siomai, and char siu bao. It's a delicious journey of discovery, one little bamboo basket at a time. Now for the fried and baked goodies, because you need that crispy contrast. Don't forget about the rice noodle rolls or chung fun. These are a must-try, and you have to save room for dessert. Look for dan tat, which are creamy egg custard tarts with a flaky pastry crust. Another classic is the sesame ball. Exploring dim sum is a complete culinary experience, and it's a delicious way to spend an afternoon in Chinatown. Number 2, take a food tour through a historic NYC neighborhood. There's no better way to taste the city's incredible diversity than by exploring its streets, one bite at a time. From pizza in Greenwich Village to dumplings in Chinatown and bagels near Central Park, every neighborhood has its own delicious story. Guided by local experts, you'll discover hidden gems, hear fun stories, and sample iconic bites you'd never find alone. The best part? Sharing laughs and flavors with fellow food lovers from around the world. It's a social adventure, so come hungry, bring your camera, and get ready to taste the heart of New York. One neighborhood, one story, and one unforgettable bite at a time. Number 1. Indulge in a slice of New York-style pizza. No trip to NYC is complete without tasting this legendary slice. Born in the early 1900s, New York-style pizza was inspired by Italian immigrants. Lombardi's, America's first pizzeria, opened in 1905 and still serves up classic pies today. What makes it iconic? A thin, foldable crust, crispy outside, chewy inside, topped with tangy tomato sauce and gooey mozzarella. Watch as pizza makers toss dough and slide pies into blazing ovens. From classic cheese and pepperoni to creative toppings, there's a slice for everyone. Legendary spots like Joe's, DeFara, and Prince Street Pizza each have their own loyal fans. True New Yorkers fold their slice and eat on the go. It's the perfect street food. Whether you're grabbing a late-night bite or sharing with friends, Every slice is a taste of NYC spirit. So take a big bite, savor the flavor, and join the city-wide celebration. New York-style pizza is truly legendary. What an incredible food adventure through New York City. From classic bites to bold new flavors, this city truly has it all. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and food adventures. Let me know in the comments what your favorite NYC food is, or what I should try next time. Until next time, happy eating and see you in the next adventure. Bye, everyone.